like a diamond. Kapakit ang buha ako. Baby, kapakit ang buha nga. Parang sumubo ng mamantika eh, no? Hi mga kachupapis. Good morning. Alas 5 ng umaga rito. At magagala kami ng asawa ko. I-celebrate namin yung aming first anniversary and 55 monthsary. Oh, diba? At pupunta tayo sa Chicago. Mahaba na. Ito na. One day lang naman kami pupunta. So, ito lang yung dinala ko. And then, yung aking asawa nagsasapatos. Yan siya. So, isasama ko kayo sa aking travel papuntang Chicago. 3 hours from here. So, magdadrive kami ng 3 hours and then 3 hours back. Isang araw lang kami doon mga kachupa kasi naghahanap kami ng hotel doon. Wala kaming nakita. So, okay na rin. So, yun mga kachupa. Nagdala rin ako ng tubig dahil feeling ko sa Chicago medyo mahal ang tubig. So, nagdala na ako kasi
it might be very sunny and bright too, so you should bring it.
You should wear that one. And then I'm gonna wear this one. Wow, you're so handsome. Ito lang po yung mga suot namin mga kachupa. Ayan.
Okay.
Ito? Did we forget anything?
I think we have everything. If you want to take a minute to think about it, we can.
Put the box in the plastic.
Leave it there.
Okay.
We'll come back for it.
Naantok pa ako makachupa. Balik ko kaya itong chips ahoy ko kasi para may makain ako habang nasa biyahe kami. Nagdala rin ako ng ganito kasi kakain naman kami sa sa labas. Nagdala ako ng tubig. Nagdala ako ng wipes. Mga kachupa hindi na ako. Nagdala rin ako ng medyas para in case na yung medyas ko yung pa ako mapawis, meron akong pampalit na medyas. So, magdadala tayo ng chips ahoy. Baby, I'm gonna bring chips ahoy.
Huh? Yeah, if you want to, put it in your backpack. Hey, why do you bring this? Put it in your backpack so it's easier.
No, that's on. I have backpack inside.
Put your backpack inside? Okay.
Kala ko hindi ako ready. Ready ako.
So, we're happy. We don't have to carry. It's just fun to do.
So, dadalhin ko na itong chips ahoy. Para meron tayo pagkain sa kotse habang magbiyahe. Ayan, meron na tayo. Pakta natin. Ika na, kakachupa. Maybe am I gonna bring this
Mommy.
inside the car?
If you want, yeah, inside the car.
I'm super happy. Super duper happy. Kakachupa. First time ko na naman gagala for a long time. And I'm so happy kasi magagala kami sa Chicago. Ay, ang ganda ng ating ano. At saka sinearch namin mga kachupa, hindi siya uulan. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ating weather. Blue sky. And ito na. Papasok po tayo sa kotse. Ay natin yung mga needs natin ilagay.
Put the binocular in my backpack so we can use it to look at things too.
Oh.
So if I don't put it in here, we might forget it.
Okay. Diba? very maganda yung ating weather for today's video. Kaya, thank you, Lord. Thank you. There you go.
Big trip.
Diba? Medyo, can you clean this one? Ayan. Para maganda yung ating view later. Ala, I'm gonna get my water. And the food is good though. Ating cookies. Wala tayong makeup mga kachupa. Natural organic beauty.
Okay, you brought your itinerary?
No.
You didn't bring it? Okay, we're gonna need it, so we have a list to go by. Let's go back and go get it.
Okay. You see the... I'm gonna go with you, okay?
Yeah, go with me so you know where
Kala mga kachupa. The structure, like a big...
Oh, it's just structure, we can just walk in. Nutella restaurant, what is that, a coffee shop?
Huh?
Nutella restaurant, what's that?
Nutella. The bread. Ice cream.
Maybe Pierre's, that's a shopping? Maybe Pierre's shopping?
No, that's a fair.
Our best to go at night. So Willis Tower will be the last place we're going to. Is that a building? Willis Tower.
Yeah, it's kind of like a building. You can see all the Chicago.
Okay.
Mag-ayos mo na ako mga chop. Mag-apply tayo ng
I guess I'll just set the destination to the London House because I think that's near the center of everything we're going to. So we'll find a place to park near there and then we'll walk to all the places.
What if we go to the Jollibee first?
I don't even know if there's a Jollibee there.
They have.
You saw it?
Search it.
Well, we'll search it when we get there.
Bro.
Because if I type it here and we go, it might not be near this place here. It might be another Jollibee that maybe it's in Chicago.
Tisay. Tisay ka dong. Tapos ito nabili ko sa Bath and Body Works. Kung gusto nyo bumili nito mga kachupa, $8.95. Medyo expensive. Tingnan natin. Nabili ko to kasi mga kachupa, malandi siya. Yan. Malandi, pang Rihanna. Some like it, dining.
You got some on your chin here.
Oy.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. You like my lipstick? Parang may grease na naman. May grasa na naman ako sa labi. Pero maganda siya mga kachupa kasi lasang menthol. And then magsi-seatbelt na ako.
3 hours and 15 minutes.
Huh?
3 hours and 15 minutes.
3 hours and 15 minutes to go to Chicago. Kachupa, parang naglakbay lang ako papuntang Laguna.
I think we had to pay road tolls too.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because going to Chicago.
So this is your first time, no? B?
No, I've been to Chicago before.
And then, so
Try not to bring your phone holder.
because it's not
stable.
Yeah, it's not good. So mga kachupa, gagawra na kami.
Let me see.
Ganito lang yung ating atake ngayon kasi simplihan lang natin mga kachupa kasi ayoko naman pagkaguluhan doon. Eme lang. Ang aga-aga na naman, ang aga-aga na naman, kapal na naman ang mukha ko. Sabihin, ang kapal talaga na mukha mo dahil unsubscribe na kita. Thank you Lord kasi binigyan mo kami ng magandang weather para i-celebrate ang aming first anniversary. And it's only one day mga kachupa, pero okay lang din dahil ayoko rin mapagod ang asawa ko. At pagpunta natin doon, marami tayong pupuntahan. Medyo dark kasi medyo madilim pa rito. Kasi na yung puno mga kachupa naharangan yung pagka maputi pagka mapusyaw ko Okay lang ba yung aking parang nilagyan ako ng parang kumain ako ng biko. Okay lang yan mga kachupa. Ang nagdadala naman, ang tunay na nagdadala talaga naman ng lipstick is yung attitude ng babae. Char. Ginawa talaga yung attitude. So, dala ko yung aking fake na sunglasses kasi maaraw nga mga kachupa. So, gagantihin ko siya mga kachupa. Like a diamond.
If you're gonna wear that one, I should have brought my 3D glasses. It's okay. That one will be perfect match.
Medyo madilim. Ayun. Kasi yung aking cellphone mga kachupa, pagpasasyahan nyo na yung ating camera ngayon dahil hindi pa tayo nakakaluwag-luwag. Pagka lumuwag na tayo, huwag nakaluwag-luwag na. Pag nakakasahod na tayo sa YouTube, pag nakakaangat-angat na yung YouTube natin, mag-upgrade din ako mga kachupa. Sa ngayon, hindi ko pa kaya dahil alam nyo na, inuuna ko yung mga bills. Alam mo naman talaga, magtatrabaho na no? Sa ngayon kasi wala pa akong work, kaya wala tayong magagawa kundi mag-antay. Diba? Hindi mo na kami kakain ng asawa ko dahil doon na siguro kami kakain sa Chicago kasi meron daw doon, balita ko meron daw doon masarap na hotdog. Sausage? Brand.
It's just Chicago hot dog.
Chicago hot dog. Do you think it's small or big?
It's kind of the same. We used to have one here in town too, but they went out of business. Chupa, pupunta muna kami. Where's our first? We're heading to the London house.
Oh, but that one is a hotel and the restaurant.
I know, but that's like the center of all the places we're going to. So we're going there, near there, and then we're gonna find parking spot, and then we'll start walking to all the places we want to go.
Okay.
We're gonna go to Starbucks first for like breakfast.
Mga kachupa, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Starbucks doon dahil sabi nila one of the biggest Starbucks in Chicago. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura, kung maganda ba or worth it ba yung biyahe pag pumunta kayo doon. Actually mga kachupa, yung 3 hours na yan sa Philippines, kung titignan natin, kung susumahin natin, kasi mahilig kami mag-outing ng mga friends sa office, nagti-team building, di ba? Batangas, day. Umabot kami ng pagka-traffic sa Pinas. 6 hours, day. Papuntang Batangas pa lang. O kaya, 6 hours ba yun? Pagka sobrang traffic. Pero kung hindi naman traffic, siguro mga 3 hours, 4 hours lang siguro yun. Grabe may 6 hours. Baka overdose na ako, no? Feeling ko mali ako. So ayun mga kachupa, magpupunta muna tayo na Chicago. Update ko lang kayo later. Excited. Ay, ngiti yung tenga. Baby, I said my smile until my ears. Walang cars kasi medyo maaga pa. So, let's go! Maybe you're wrong.
That one's not open.
I think you just go.
It's just pay or pay online. There. Where do I pay?
Maybe they're gonna have a CCTV and they got your plate number.
Pay tolls 14 days to pay online. Plaza 21. Take a picture. Oh, you know what? I'll write it down.
I'll take a picture.
I need to know the plaza number.
I already take a picture. Okay.
You took a picture?
Yeah.
Okay. So
first time na asawa ko. Ala, tayo namumula ako.
Years ago, they always have somebody working in the booth, so you just
yeah. And now they change it. That's why they have a camera there, so that they email your stuff in the plate number. I think you're not from here. I'm from here.
No, I've been to Chicago, Illinois before, but I don't go here often.
You forgot. Or maybe they change it and you didn't go there yet. No.
I come here off and on, but I don't go here often. That's how I know that they have tolls.
First time na asawa ko ulit pumunta sa Chicago.
But years ago, when I used to come around this area, they always have somebody working in the booth and then you just pay that money. They also have online, but online wasn't like a big thing back then. It's been a while since I came to Chicago.
So malapit na kami mga kachupa. 1 hour and 36 minutes left to go.
And actually the last time I came to Chicago was to go to the airport to come to pick you up. No, not pick you up. The first time. Yeah, the first time I go to see you, and then the first time I go to see you, I went to Chicago airport.
That's what I was thinking. So maybe that's like, different, girl.
Yeah, so that's like 4 years ago.
Different girl. Because I remember I landed in Milwaukee airport, not Chicago airport.
That's the last time that's when we came back. We came back in Milwaukee airport. The first time I go to the Philippines, I bought a ticket in Chicago airport because all the one that's nearby is so expensive. So that time Panda she dropped me off. Because it was so far, I wasn't going to park my car over there. And I'll just pay her to take me.
Okay. Malapit na kami mga kachupa, 1 hour and 30 na lang. 30 minutes. So, malapit-lapit na tayo mag-Chicago! Mga kachupa, parang glass skin yung ano ko dito, no?
Six We went to Six Flags a long time ago too, and I was there with Panda. It's like a amusement park. Big amusement park.
Ay, ang ganda nga mga kachupa.
I'll point it out to you when we get there.
Ganda.
I think it's over on this side, but I'll point it out.
Okay. What's that museum?
Six Flags? It's an amusement park.
Amusement?
Yeah, big amusement park.
Hello, beautiful oh.
They've got like rides, roller coasters.
Hello, ang dami magaganda din sa Chicago mga kachupa. Tingnan mo yan oh. Hindi nyo makakita kasi medyo maaraw. So, alas 7 na ng umaga mga kachupa. 2 hours na kaming nagda-drive. So, 1 hour na lang mahigit ang lalakbayin natin papuntang Chicago. Pero kachupa, wala akong nilagay sa aking mukha kundi yung aking lipstick. Itong lipstick. And then, itong lipstick sa aking bibig. Ito yung gamit ko. Meron na pala sa, meron na palang lipstick.
There, look, you see the sign? Big roller coaster.
Uy!
See?
Uy!
That's Six Flags.
It's kind of like a fair?
Yeah, they have a lot of other rides.
Hello?
It's a big amusement.
I wanna go there! I love it!
I'm just scared of all the rides. Some of the rides are crazy.
I love it!
It's a big amusement park.
Wow! Hello! It's Ola! Hello, I wanna go there! Nababalula naman ang mare nyo. Wala naman kachupa. I'm so happy na I see those stuff because I never been go in that place when I was young.
It's like the Enchanted Kingdom, but it's bigger.
Yeah, Enchanted Kingdom. Alam mo naman ako, alam mo mga chupa, hindi perfect yung aking face. Kaya ganito siya. Kaya nagmamantika na yung aking katawan. Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, ano ako eh, nagkakaroon ako ng grasa na walang dahilan. Natural, organic grasa. Grasa talaga, grease. Do you know grease?
Grease?
Yeah.
Do I know where it is?
No, grease, what that means.
Grease?
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of like oil.
Yeah, that's why in my face. So I was thinking, I have a natural grease on my body. No.
Well, I guess it just means your skin is healthy. It's not dry.
Yung pala yun.
It's normal, healthy moisture.
Yung pala yun. Kaya pala sabi nila mukha daw akong bata. Well, mga kachupa, ang ano lang dyan, tag dito, ang technique lang dyan is believe in God, obey God, not just believe. Sa'yo na mga kachupa. Lagi na lang si God ang dahilan. Actually, si God naman talaga ang dahilan kung bakit masaya ako, kung bakit masaya yung pamilya namin. Happy family. Kahit na may mga problema kaunti, na-handle pa rin namin. So yun lang mga kasyupa, i-update ko lang kayo later dahil mahaba pa ang ating vlog. Marami pa tayong lalakbayin sa Chicago. So goodbye! Second toll.
There's one more people, one person. Plaza 24.
Plaza 24. I'll take a picture. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Plaza 24. But we already paid. So we pay too?
Yeah, you're gonna pay every toll that they put on the road. So the toll that we pay for that one is just for that stretch. This toll, the toll is for the road that going to Chicago.
Ah. And how much the toll?
Usually it's only like a few dollars. I don't know if they raised the price or not. I haven't checked in a while.
90 cents, 95 cents.
So yeah, it's like $1.
Oh, so cheap.
It's not too expensive. A couple of years back, it wasn't even that much. It's like maybe 50 cents.
Yeah.
25 cents.
Only cents. I thought it was $10.
If they did that, nobody gonna be riding on these highways. I mean, I know it was way too expensive. But New York is trying to do something like that, where they're putting tolls on their highways, and it costs like $9 to drive on there.
Really?
Yeah, they're trying to pass a law like that in their state. A lot of people, they don't like it, so I don't think they're gonna vote for it.
Expensive.
Because they need more money, because they think that the traffic is too high. So they do that to cut traffic, so that people are not going to use it, so that the traffic is lower.
No. It is expensive.
New York is very expensive to live in. The tolls are like $9. Here, it's 95 cents. So if you think about it, New York is 10 times the cost.
10 times?
10 times 95 is about $9.50.
Shine like a diamond. O bakit ang buwan ako? Baby, bakit ang mukha nga? Parang sumubo ng mamantika no? Pero mga kachupa, it's all natural. It's all organic. Everything is organic. Yeah. Ganyan tayo pinalaki ng nanay natin. Kaya, everything is organic tayo mga kachupa. Hindi natin kailangan magpa-surgery, mag-makeup. Only lipstick can boost my energy. Sir, wala akong kilay. Wala rin akong mga nilagay sa ano. Kaya, tingnan mo, kasi kung may nilagay akong kaek-ekad sa mukha ko para mag-shining emerald, wala. Kasi kung may kita mo, may nilagay ako mga kachupa. Kung may nilagay ako mga kachupa, Pag ginanto mo yan, may makikita ka rito. O, di ba wala? At saka kikita mo yung mga, ano ko, yung mga, tag dito, spot ng ano, bakas ng kahapon, ayan o, mga, di ba? Kailangan na siya organic lang tayo mga kachupa na isipin nila, ay, low maintenance tong girl na to, kaya nagustuhan talaga asawa niya. Kaya alam mo mga kachupa, sabi sa akin ng asawa ko noon, kaya one of the things that nagustuhan niya sa akin is because he saw me and he knew how I take care of myself is very low. Because some other girls, they want expensive stuff. Like, kailangan ano ipapahit mo sa mukha mo, Gucci. Kailangan yung mga pang makeup mo. Ano pa lang, sabihin na natin, 20,000 pesos na. Pang makeup lang yun. Dahil namamahala na ang asawa ko doon. Kaya ako mga kachupa, hanggat maaari, nilolow maintenance ko lang yung sarili ko. Kasi ayoko rin nasanay na mahal. At saka hindi namin afford mga kachupa. Alam mo naman kami, isang kain, isang tuka lang kami mga kachupa. Isang kahit isang tuka lang kami. Para kami ano, no. Pero at least mga kachupa, sa mga gantong event, celebration, napupuntahan namin yung mga gusto namin puntahan. Pero minsan-minsan lang naman to, hindi naman to araw-araw. Kaya, let's enjoy and be happy and positive everything. Feeling ko yung asawa ko na papagod na kapag-drive. Ako na dyan. Wait, want me to drive there? Yeah, I've changed one.
Maybe in the future when you're already a pro driver, and when you have a lot of traffic like this, you know, you're going to be a little bit nervous.
May ino. I feel pain.
We'll find the next gas station.
Kakainom ko to ng tubig eh. Wala, dito yung tubig dito. Kumain kasi ako ng place. So mga kachupa, nandito na kami sa Chicago. 1 hour na lang. Balikan ko kayo later. Mga kachupa, na traffic na kami dahil I think a lot of people is going to their work. So ayan na siya mga kachupa. Nakita ko yung train.
94 East.
May train sila dun oh. Ayan mga kachupa.
Can't exit.
Ay, ihina ko pero hindi pa ako makaihi kasi walang gas station dito, malapit. So, wait lang tayo mga kachupa, ang dami oh, haba, traffic. Magchichikahan muna kami
like about Chicago, traffic jam.
Eh ano pa yung Pilipinas? Philippines. I think this one is better than the Philippines.
Well, it's probably still a little bit better, but I don't like traffic jam.
Kasi pagka may mga traffic, naglalagasan yung buhok ng asawa ko eh. Napapanot. Kaya yun siguro. B, do you think when you are in the jam like this, your hair fall down a little by little?
No. Well, I don't think so. I mean, not to that level of stress, but, you know, I just don't like it. I like to just keep going. You know, I don't like to slow down or stop. I like to just keep going.
So mga kachupa, pupunta tayo sa Starbucks first. Okay, mag-i-Starbucks muna tayo. 57 minutes pa mga kachupa. Kanina pa tayo mga kachupa. Parang feeling ko yung 57 minutes na yan hindi pa natatapos kasi kanina feeling ko 1 hour na lang. 3 minutes pa. 3 minutes lang ang nabawas. So ayun mga kachupa, mag-uusap-usap muna kami dahil medyo traffic pa rin. Meron train. Oh. They have train oh.
Dude, Chicago is big. They have a lot of people here.
And one of my friends, they say they have a train in Milwaukee going to Chicago.
Yeah, they do have a train there, but not like this.
And I think we should do next time the train.
I want to do the train.
So that way we're not gonna pay the parking. we're not gonna experience traffic like
We
this.
still have to park our car in Milwaukee somewhere, so we gotta pay for that. So
Or maybe we
kind of
can
the same.
we can tell to Nick to drop us in Milwaukee. Inutusan pa yung pamangkin.
I'm not gonna bother looking for that.
So mga ka-chupa, mag-uusap muna kami. Balikan ko ulit pagka nandun na kami. Update ko na lang kayo ulit lagi. And don't you worry, and this vlog is gonna make you feel like you go to Chicago. Ano pinagsasabi mo dyan?